we're starting off with the Shamrock Cooler. Are you feeling lucky?
Oh yeah!
Let's get into this magically delicious cocktail. This recipe is super simple, just what I like. So let's get into it. So let's start off with just a little bit of ice. Kind of get our cocktail cold. So let's start off with a little bit of whiskey. This one's super good. It's called Tattersall. So let's do about like an ounce of this one. Just a little bit.
Yeah!
And then we're gonna do about an ounce of Midori. This is super sweet. It's got like a flavor of melon.
Good.
It's really good, it's tasty. And nothing screams St. Patrick's Day like some Green River soda. So let's give it a stir. Stir it all up. Okay. Now let's serve it up in a cute little cocktail glass. I'm gonna actually add in a little bit more ice. This is a cooler after all. We're trying to keep cool, ease into the St. Patrick's Day spirit, the luck of the Irish, the Green River. Okay, cool. So Green River soda. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Wow. So about like 5 ounces. Just top it up, honestly. Just kind of taste it. Whatever you like. But anyways, Green River is just like a lemon lime soda, so super tasty. And give it a little stir. Serve it up like this. Add a little garnish of your choice. Maybe a little straw. I kind of feel like straws just go with coolers, you know? Stir it around and cheers. Shamrock Cooler. Never been so easy. Wow, good. I rate this cocktail a 2 because it's easy breezy.